Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 custom paint bicycle frames. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected Upcycle T1000 Full Carbon Gravel Frame. Specifications: brand name, Upcycle. Foldable, no. Material, carbon. Model number, SPR119. Use, road bicycles. Weight, 1170 plus / 50 grams 54 centimeters. Bottom bracket, BB386. Headset, 1/1/8 to 1/2. Material, Toray T1000 carbon fiber. Tire type, 700 by 40C or 27.5 ERX 2.1. Through axle spec, front 100 by 12 ohm, rear 142 by 12 ohm. The item number 2 is Quail Foo JH010. Specifications: brand name, Quail Foo. Foldable, no. Origin, CN origin. Material, T1100 full carbon fiber. Model number, JH010 White R37. Use, road bicycles. Surface processing mode, matte, gloss. Is _customized, yes. Weight, excess size approx 1.05 kilograms. Size, double XS, XS, S. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Old GT20. Specifications: brand name, Old. Foldable, no. Material, carbon. Model number, GT20. Use, road bicycles. Weight, 1080 and plus 50 grams. Max tire, 700 x 45C or 27.5 by 2.1. Disc rotor size, 140/160ths of a millimeter. Frame through axle, 142/12 millimeters. Fork through axle, 112 millimeters. Bottom bracket, BB386. Warranty 2 years, 2 years. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.